Beauty, this is Anime Girl 8792. I literally took a nap, woke up to new mail. I ordered something last week. When you're stuck indoors for a long period of time, you crave for something new. So I went to Trend Mood. Trend Mood is also slow. The only thing that really catch my eye was from Sigma Beauty. On Instagram, they said they're gonna release it on April 14th, but I bought mine last week and it arrived to me April 13th, so I don't know about that. This is the eyeshadow I'll be spending my week with. Sigma Beauty Cor-De-Rosa. I also picked up the lip gloss. Only one out of the 4. Cor-De-Rosa is based on their blushes that is discontinued. If you're gonna do a collection based on a blush, bring that blush back too. Just saying. Sigma Beauty is a blush company, is known as a blush company. Their makeup is a treasure gem. It's really hidden. They used to be the It Factor, the It brand for influencer 3 years ago, but Morphe took over. Okay, the highlight of the week that I'm using that I also pick up at Sigma Beauty is the Sigma Chroma Glow. And the color on my face is this color. This is the highlight on my face. Let's get to the start of the show, the eyeshadow palette. Since Sigma Beauty is known as a brush company, they include a brush. And I will try to use it. If I don't like it, I'll use my own brush. Okay. Ooh. And this is what the palette looks like. We're gonna do this color. This brush is too soft. I need something stiffer. And I'm gonna use this shimmer. I also got a lip gloss from Sigma Beauty from the same collection. This is Lilac Wine. This is the first look. It's simple, just peachy and shimmer. Day 2, look 2. I'm gonna spray my face before using the highlight because the highlight is really stiff and kind of soft. I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna go into this color. We go into it. So that's the second look, is orangey, goldy, bronzy. I'm concerned about the pimple on my eye. Look 3, if you hear any noise or you see this going on, I have the fan next to me. Look number 3, we gonna start with the highlight. Go. So look number 3 remind me of some color from the Modern Renaissance, but more romantic love. Final 4, day 4, look 4, final look. I need to take a break doing makeup on my eyes because there's a bump on my eyes, and I'm assuming since the eye produce a lot of oil, and when something gets blocked, it turns into a pimple. It will go away with an eye mask or leave it alone. But first, let's put some highlight on this place. To the last neutral color. It's natural glow. Natural glow. final look. Maybe I should have started with the rose imprint because you didn't see it on top of apricot. Hello my pretty, this is Animaker 8792. If you see a different quality because I'm currently filming with old school photo booth on my laptop, is because my memory card decided to die on me. So let's get to the end review with my experience with Sigma Beauty. Let's start with the eyeshadow palette. It's currently on sale on the Sigma Beauty website. It's more of a natural glow with a pop of color. So if you're a natural, neutral, highlight but want to experiment with color, I think this is your palette because you have 4 neutral, wearable color. And if you want like fun pop of color, you get this pretty lilac, shift blue, and pink, purpley. The next item is on my lip, Lilac Wine Lip Gloss, pinky nudie, and I definitely will wear it again and again and again. Also, it's a gloss, so if you put your hair on it, yes, it will stick. But it's not goopy. It's like very smooth on the lip. Sigma Beauty Cor-De-Rosa Eyeshadow Palette. I rarely will use this transition color, so I can tell you the formula is very smooth, soft, velvety, it's very pigmented, it blends very awesomely. Then the shimmer is so magical. Sigma Beauty is a professional, well-balanced, awesome formula, great concept. They are one of the rare beauty brand that drop collection wisely. They don't do it back to back. They don't overwhelm you. When they release something, you know it's good. Because in the end, these 3 purchases became my favorite. Usually, when I buy something, it usually doesn't become my favorite. It takes a long time. But this purchase, I know after 4 days, it's like, yeah, you're mine. I'm keeping you until you die.